Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this class, we will discuss exercise 4.2 and this is the second part of this exercise. And in the previous class, we discussed the remaining portion, the question number 1 of exercise 4.2. And in this class, we will discuss question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us start with question number 3. Question number 3 is a word problem. So we have to read it first and then you have to understand what is saying this word problem. So basically this is the chapter of quadratic equation. Means we have to interpret this word problem and then we have to formulate a quadratic equation. Then we have to solve this. So find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So by this statement we have to formulate a quadratic equation. So find two numbers whose sum is 27. So two numbers, suppose this is two number and their sum is 27. So if I assume one number is x, so what should be the another number? So another number should be what? 27 minus x, because if I subtract from 27 to x, we will get the another number. So let one number be x and another number be 27 minus x. Clear? Then product of is 182. Product of these two number is 182. So according to the question, x multiplied by 27 minus x equals to 182. Clear? So this is the condition and then we have to simplify this. So x into 27, 27x, x into x minus x square equals to 182. And if I arrange this one, we will get x square minus x square plus 27x, and whenever it comes this side, it will be 182 equals to 0. And this will be x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. We multiplied minus sign in the both number in the each case. So this is our quadratic equation. We have to solve by factorization method. So here the middle term is minus 27. So we have to adjust it by 182. So 182 we will factorize this in 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, and 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 30. This is a prime factor. So we have to adjust 27. 2 7 are 14 and this is 13. So if we add this one, we will get 27. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. So from these two terms, we will get x as a common. So this is remaining x minus 14 and 13 as a common. So we will get x minus 14, because if we multiply 13 into 14, we will get 182 equals to 0. So from this case, we will get the factor x minus 14 into x minus 13 equals to 0. And from this factor, we will get the roots x equals to 14 and 13. So x equal to 14 and 13. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation, and the numbers are also 14 and 13. So numbers also 14 and 13, because if I put 14 here, we get 13, and if I put 13 here, if I assume 13 as a x, then we will get 14. So means the numbers are 14 and 13. Now this is the turn of question number 4. So question number 4, find that two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So consecutive positive integer means we discussed in the previous class. What is consecutive integers? If I take x is a one number, so the consecutive numbers will be what? X plus 1. So let consecutive consecutive two positive integers are x, you can write x comma x plus 1 here, and the condition is that sum of whose square is 365. Sum of this and square. First we will do square of these two number, then we will add this one. So according to the question, we will write x square and x plus 1 whole square and their addition equals to 365. So this is the statement according to our condition. Now we have to solve it. So x square and x plus 1 whole square, we will break it according to a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square means a square plus 2ab plus b square formula, and 365. So x square plus x square, so this is plus 2x and 1 square means 1, 365. So x square and x square become 2x square, and this is 2x plus 1, and this is constant term, so we will take this side. So 2x square plus 2x and plus 1 minus 365, this is minus 364 equals to 0. So see, we can take common from 2 from each term. So here remaining x square, and this is x and minus. So here 2 1 is 2 and 2 8 is 16 and 2 2 is 4 equals to 0. So you can cancel these two. So x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. So we have to factorize 182. So 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is, and if you divide by 7, you will get 17. So 2 7 is 14. So again we will get 14 and 13 is the pair. So x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. We will solve this side. So if I take common from these two terms, we will get x into x plus 14, and from these two terms we will get 13. So minus 13 into x minus 14. X minus 14 equals to 0. So then this will be plus. So x plus 14 into x minus 13 is the factor, and from these two factor we will get x equals to minus 14 and 13. But here we are discussing about positive integers, so we cannot take minus 14. We have to take 13 because this is the only positive integers here. So therefore the consecutive numbers are 13, and 13 plus 1 means 14. So these are the consecutive numbers, positive numbers. So let us discuss question number 5. So this is second last question. Let us read this question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. So this is the question. So let us, I didn't understand what is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is what? A triangle having one of the angles should be 90 degree. Suppose this is the triangle and this is suppose 90 degree. Then this triangle is said to be a right angle. So right angle means it have a altitude, height you can say, and a base, you can say height or altitude, and this is hypotenuse. So what? Hypotenuse. Clear? So this is, you can say, altitude also. So here the altitude of the right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. So if we take let base equals to x centimeter, we can take, then altitude should be what? X minus 7. centimeter because the altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So base is x centimeter, so x, and less than 7 means x minus 7. So now then if the hypotenuse is 13, so hypotenuse is given what, 13 centimeter. Clear? So for the right angle triangle, we know that there is a formula, Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Height means you can say altitude square. So we are going to apply this formula. So here hypotenuse means 13 square. So you can write by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square means 13 square equals to base means here x square and side altitude or height you can say x minus 7 whole square. So this is the equation. We have to simplify this equation, then we have to convert in a quadratic equation. So 13 square means what? 169 and x square and x minus 7 we will break this by a minus b whole square formula. So x square minus 2 into x into 7 plus 7 square. So 169 equals to x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. Okay. So 169 equals to x square become 2x square and this is minus 14x and plus 49. So now we'll take 169 in this side. So we'll write 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x. So this is positive and negative. So we'll subtract this one. 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 1. 1 to 120. So now we will take 2 from each term. Take 2 common as a common. So from each term. So 2x square minus 7x minus 16. Okay, so whenever we take common from each term, we will get this expression. So next, x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. So 60 you can break to 12, 5 is 60, 12, 5 is 60 and 12 minus 5 becomes 7x. So we can write x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. And from these two terms, we will take common x. So x minus 12 and from this two term, we will get 5 x minus 12 equals to 0. So then x minus 12 will be common. So x minus 12 into x plus 5 equals to 0. So means from these two terms, we'll get x equals to 12 and minus 5. So this is the roots of the quadratic equation. But we need to find out the base. Base cannot be negative. So you have to take 12 as its base. So 12 would be its base. And what will be its height? Altitude you can say. So 12 minus 7 that is 5. So altitude is 5 and base will be 12 here. Let us discuss question number 6. So on your screen here is the question. So you can see the question and follow my instruction. So a cottage industry produce a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice of the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So means in a factory. There is a certain number of article is produced on a day, and their rupees is determined like that, the 3 more than twice of the number of articles. So I can take let number of article produced on the day, on that day you can say x number of articles produced in a day, and cost of each article equals to what would be the article number. There is a condition that the cost of each article determined like that 3 more than twice of the number of article on particular day. So on particular day number of article produced x, twice of this number means 2x, and more than 3 plus 3. This is cost of each article. And then say that total he earned rupees 90 on a particular day. So if suppose there is a 5 pen and each pen cost is 3 rupees, so what would be the total cost of 5 pen? So what you will do? You will multiply 5 3 is 15. Okay, number of pen into total into cost of each pen. Then we can get total rupees of total cost of 5 pen. So here we have to find out the total cost of x article. Total cost of x article, because number of article is x. So what you will do? You have to find product of this and this. The total number of articles is x and cost of each article is 2x plus 3. So according to the question, you will write x multiplied by 2x plus 3 and the total cost is what? Rupees 90. Let us solve this question. So x into 2x means 2x square and x into 3x equals to 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation here, and we need to solve it. So here the middle term is 3 and we need to find out its pair. So 90, coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant term is 90. So 90 into 2, that is 180. So 180 you have to factorize. 2 90s are 3 3s are 3 10s are 2 5s are. So now you need to find out pair so that this 3 plus 3 will come. So 2 3 is 6, 6 is 18 and 2 5 is 10. 18 and 10, it will not gives 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10, 10 2 is 20. No, this will not going to find. So 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4 and 4 3 is 12 and 5 3 is 15. Yes, so 15 and 12 gives me 3. So we will write 2x square plus 15x minus 12x. 15x minus 12x gives plus 3x and minus 90 equals to 0. So from these two terms we will take common x, 2x plus 15, and from these two terms we will get 3 as a common. So 4x minus, so we can take 6 also. Yes, so 6 2s are 12 and 6 15 are 90 equals to 0. It will be plus sign because minus is common here. So 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 equals to 0. So from these two factors we will get the value of x equals to minus 15 by 2 and this is 6. Okay, minus 15 by 2 and 6. But number of article cannot be negative, so we cannot take minus 15 by 2. That's why we have to take 6 as a number of articles. So therefore the number of article on a particular day is 6. And the cost of each article should be what? So number of articles should be what? Number of articles should be 6, and cost of each article should be what? 2 into 6 plus 3, that is 2 6 are 12 plus 3, that is 15 will be the answer. So number of article 6 and cost of each article 15 rupees. So this was the our last math, and in this math we finished chapter exercise number 4.2, and in the next video we will discuss the 4.3 exercise. So till then, stay tuned. Tata.